So I'm going to press recording right away. Okay. Can you all see? Okay, now all of you switch on your videos. Wow. So our chief guest has also come, so we can start. Hello, Kannan sir and Sudama.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, come, let's all take a nice snap first and then we'll continue, okay?
Smile.
Wow, great. Yes, one more. Okay. So give me a second, cuties. Wow. All of you are ready? Okay, good evening and welcome to the most exciting session. We are in the 25th episode of Inspiring Young Minds. And, there is so many things waiting for all of you. So, over to you, Chandra.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening once again to all of you. Happy to connect you all again this week. Hope you all had a very great celebration last week, enjoying all the talent show. And today is going to be a very special day, as your Vidya auntie said. So let's wait and see. Are you ready? Super. So today we are going to celebrate Inspiring Young Minds Silver Jubilee Celebration. And this is our 25th week. And this is me, Dr. Chandra Saravanan. I'm here in the UK. I'm very happy to host the show again today. And I'm going to be the master of ceremony. And I'm very excited to see you all enjoy this day. So here we go. We cordially invite you all for the Silver Jubilee celebrations of our Inspiring Young Minds series. And this is our day 2. Last week, we have been celebrating our Children's Day, and today is going to be more special for all of you. And this is me. So this is our invite for today's celebration, and we expect all the gracious blessings from parents, grandparents, and all the family to shower on our kids. And this is the itinerary for today's function. And once again, I'm happy to introduce Dr. Vidya Hari Iyer and Mrs. Savita Madhivanan, who have been the mentors so far. And they have been guiding you so well. And this is an excitement to introduce our logo of the Inspiring Young Minds. And we dedicate this creation to all the kids who are over here. And special applause to Mrs. Savita Madhivanan, who have worked to bring out this logo here. Thank you, Mrs. Savita. And from now on, I'm going to hand over the show to Mrs. Judeline, and she's going to be the anchor for the award ceremony. Over to you, Judeline.
Hi, everyone. Am I audible? Good evening. I'm sure all of us are excited today, and I am too. So I'm Judeline. I'm a mother of 2 beautiful kids, and I'm also a budding entrepreneur. And this evening, I'm feeling so privileged and blessed to introduce our chief guest, Mrs. Sudha and Mr. Kannan Sankrampadi. I also feel so happy that I know them personally through an active group I am part of. Okay, and they are the most youngest, the most vibrant, the most active couple I've seen in my entire life so far. And Kannan sir, he loves running. He's been running right from the age of from his college days. And after some time, I think he took a break, but again, he restarted at 48 and he still runs. You know what all he's accomplished? He's accomplished 68 half marathons and 38 10 kilometers, 11 5 kilometers. He's also been a podium finisher on 14 occasions. He's a pacer for many marathons on a number of occasions. He's also a founder for the Chennai Runner Pillar Pacer in the year 2012. He was an ambassador for ISHM NEB Sports for 4 years continuously. And his hobbies are running, watching comedy shows, and sports activities on TV. And Sudha ma'am is no less at all. She very beautifully compliments Kannan sir. Now, she started running at the age of 52, and she has completed so far 3 half marathons, 34 10 kilometers, and 3 5 kilometers. She was also a podium finisher once. She was an ambassador for ISHM for 4 years. And her hobbies are cooking, watching comedy shows. So today we want to thank both of you all for gracing our occasion with your lovely presence. And so it is our proud privilege to have you here as our chief guest. And we call upon you, Kannan sir, to address the gathering.
Good evening, children. It's a great occasion. Congratulations on the 25th Silver Jubilee celebration. The credit goes to Dr. Vidya and Savita. They not only inspired the young children, they also inspire oldies like us on a daily basis. We do a lot of exercises, yoga, everything with Dr. Vidya every day from 6 to 7. And it gives us a lot of motivation and keeps us fresh and as young as you children. I always love to be among children. You know that? Because I have 2 little beautiful grandchildren. I always love to talk to them on a daily basis. So today seeing so many children together, it's a great thing. Okay, I don't want to bore you because today is a very important day for you. You are getting awards, is that right? Awards are prizes today for all the dance programs, music, or everything, whatever you have done in the last few weeks, right? So I will take hardly 5 minutes. I tell you one story and one small video I will show you. And I will tell you how it is related to you, everybody's life. Okay. You have a lot of friends, right? First thing, you tell me whether you want me to talk in Tamil. Tamil means 1 hand. English means 2 hands. Raise your hand. 1, 2, 1. மீதி யாரும் தெரியலையே. 1 2 3 4 மெஜாரிட்டி இங்க ஒரு ஹேண்ட் தான். சோ தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? சரி, தமிழ் நல்லா இருக்கா? ஓகே, குட்.
Understand?
Please switch on video.
Others are not switching on the video, so
English,
I can't
sir,
see them.
English.
English,
Okay.
Okay. Vidya ma'am says English only because English le pesalam. The thing is, 2 things in life is very important, whether you are a child or an elder or you are a working person or you are a student. So you must be involved in dance program. Some of you may be interested in sports. Some of you may be interested in singing. Some of you may be interested in drawing, anything. Everywhere, leave alone the individual thing. The teamwork is very important. For example, cricket, they play as a team only, then only they win. I'll just show you, instead of talking, I'll just show you a video. So you will understand how important is a teamwork. It's a very simple video. See that.
It's smarter to travel in groups.
This is the end of the video. That's how important is teamwork. If you are friends with everyone, the number of friends you make, it will help you achieve something. You can avoid any trouble. Okay.
Unity.
And the second story is As I told you, you may be interested in sports, some of you may be interested in studies, some of you in dance and singing. There is no guarantee that you will succeed immediately. Like I'm in running. When I fail, when I don't do, I want to run a half marathon in 2 hours, I don't do it. Immediately I find out why I'm not running. Same way, for anyone, you need to understand why, what is the problem that I'm facing. I'm not doing dance properly, correct steps are not doing. So there is a small grandma story, I'll tell you, it will be interesting. My grandma told me, there was a king who was fond of eating dry fish. So he goes for fishing, he catches hold of 7 fishes and put them on the lawn to dry. In the evening, when he comes back, he found only 6 fishes were dry and 1 was not dry. So the king got angry. He goes to the fish and asks, why you are not dry? The fish says, what can I do, king? The grass was falling on me. So it was, the sun rays was not falling on me because of the grass. So king asked the grass, why you are avoiding the sun rays falling on the fish? The grass says, what can I do? The cow did not come and graze me. So the king goes to the cow and asks the cow, why you did not go and graze the grass? Because of you, the sun has not fallen on the fish. So cow says, what can I do, king? I was tied to a pole with a rope, so I could not go and graze the grass. So king really gets angry. So he goes to the cowboy. He says, why didn't you allow the cow to go on grass? Why did you tie up the cow? The boy says, sorry, king, it's not my fault. Some Scorpio has bitten in my finger. That's why I could not go and untie that cow. So king goes to the Scorpio, asks, why did you bite the cowboy? The Scorpio says, I didn't do anything. I was resting inside the hole. This bloody fool comes and puts his finger inside the hole. So I had to beat him. So you found the reason? That is what is called root cause. When you don't succeed in something, you have to go deep. If you ask 4 or 5 whys, you will get the answer as to what has happened. It can apply to your studies, it can be applied to your dancing, drawing, your music, anything. Is the interesting story? That's all. I would not like to bore you too much. All the best and wishes for prize winners. As far as we are concerned, every one of you is a winner, because I watched last week's program. It was fabulous. I love children doing a lot of such things. All the best. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Wow, Kannan sir, that was really beautiful. I'm not sure, not only the kids, even all of us would have taken something from you today. So thank you so much for sharing that with us. And the videos are really nice. Nice choice of videos. Okay, so, okay, now I would like to introduce our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. M. Suresh Kumar. He is a PhD. He is the head of the PG Department of Psychology, the American College of Madurai. He is an adjunct faculty for School of Behavioral Sciences, Texila American University. He has organized 600 plus webinars and online trainings. He was a speaker and resource person for 200 plus webinars and online trainings. He has published 30 papers in journals, 3 books, and 50 seminar and conference proceedings. He's acquired skills in psychometry, statistical analysis, research documentation, counseling and psychotherapy, e-content developer, training, coordination, etc. And also he has awarded, he's received a lot of awards. So he has been awarded the Best Teacher Award by the Lions Club International 2021, the Academic Excellence Award for Mental Health 2021, Dr. Abdul Kalam Award for Mental Health Promotion 2021, Sigmund Freud Award for Psychology 2020, and Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Award, Best Teacher Award 2019. Sir, we are truly honored to have you here in our gathering. We are amazed at your expertise and would love to learn from you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you for that what I can say that magnanimous introduction to me for here. And first of all, my apologies for being late here. I was on the way to reach here. That's why I take little time. When you are introducing me, you told me, ma'am, I have organized 600 webinars. It means I have met more than 500 resource persons. So among that, I can say that the few of them are jewels of the webinar. That means they made a great impact in that webinar series. And Dr. Vidya Hari Iyer is one of the person I can say, and highly energetic. You can see some of the speakers, they will be tired after 40 or 45 minutes. And she is the one highly energetic. And then when someone is there with her, I think they will get an energy from her. And such an energetic person. And I heard from that she's having many programs for different age groups, for children's and adult and elderly population, and different programs, and versatile personality I ever met in my life. So please accept my gratitude, ma'am. And this is an auspicious day. I think when I hear that many of my friends, children's also there, they are participating. And I heard indirectly how the program was. And they said that it is a truly behavioral changes component that will happen. A person self-regulate by themselves. I think she made an instrumental for making the changes in the behavior of the children. And again, appreciation, ma'am. And I like to quote one of the important point here. In psychology or in wellness component or health component, there are many expertise or many perspectives, many theories are there. But one perspective which is very popular only after 2000, I can say positive psychology. And I can say that the concept is emerged from Western country, and even though we may are using some of the components in Eastern, like India and other countries, Asian countries, but we have to accept that scientifically the framework framed in a Western country, now we are using it. And awareness about the subcomponents of positive psychology known by the people, even in the field of psychology, are very less. Very less. And I can quote one of the statistics here in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu alone, nearly 67 institutions offer psychology program. 67 institutions. And among the 67, you can find out nearly in each institution, we can count 5 faculty members. And how many of them are familiar in positive psychology means very limited. I can count that in a fingers. In a fingers, we can count. And most of them, they are interested in knowing about that illness component, what are the illness, how they will treat. And when I attended some of the program and the points of Dr. Vidya Hari Iyer's program, and she talk about all the positive psychology concepts, all the even gratitude, you can take it, how they can self-regulate by themselves, self-confidence building. And these were the topic and flow, I can say comparison, you can name it. And all the positive psychology topics were, it is an added thing in even after 2005 and 10 also they included. And she's the one who make it as making the ornamental flower like a component, and she made it. And it's really amazing, ma'am, especially the children's self-regulations component. And really appreciated, and thank you so much for giving that opportunity to share, expressing the gratitude to know about and acknowledging the good quality in that organization. Thank you so much, ma'am, and my best wishes to all the kids over here. And definitely we get a bright future, because we never had on such opportunity. And you had an amazing opportunity. Use those things very wisely. And I can say that definitely it will guide you. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Dr. M. Suresh Kumar, for sharing that. And it was really very nice to hear from you today. So now we've come to the most important or exciting part of the session. Kids, are you all ready? Yes, the award ceremony. Okay, and I'm sure last week all of us enjoyed the talent show. We were really amazed at the way the kids presented each and every talent of theirs, right? So this award ceremony is to appreciate all the participants and to make sure that they are special, because we know that each of our kids are really special. So for sloka recital, we would like to appreciate Adra SV, Arohi Sai Krishnan, Kaushika J, Tarika Varshini. For dancing, we would like to appreciate Adra SV, Kavin Sarvanan, Nikita, Devna Sarvanan, Arohi Sai Krishnan, Mehek Riaz, and Vishali. For instrument keyboard, we would like to appreciate Arohi Sai Krishnan, A. Naren, Devna Saravanan. For instrument violin recital, we'd like to appreciate Sukrata Viswam. For singing, we would like to appreciate Adira SV, Devna Saravanan, Arohi Sai Krishnan, A. Naren, Mehek Riaz, A. Nivedini. For drawing, we'd like to appreciate Sahana Arumugam, Mehek Riaz, Sai Santosh, Kaushika J, Adira SV, A. Naren, Arohi Sai Krishnan, and Devna Saravanan. For puppetry, we would like to appreciate A. Nivedini. For art from waste, we'd like to appreciate A. Nivedini and Arohi Sai Krishnan. For yoga performance, we would like to appreciate Arohi Sai Krishnan. Well, honoring our kids has been the greatest satisfaction we experienced in this entire series. It was so beautiful to see them smile, to bring joy in their lives, to help them feel special, to hear the feedback, to know we were the reason that brightened their day. It makes us feel so complete. So what best that we as a team give them something more, right? All of us love surprises. So we have something special for you kids. It is a surprise to honor each and every one of you. I'm sure all of us here would agree that your performances were excellent. So we have decided to give you all certificates of excellence. And that's the surprise for all of you all. So Miss Extraordinary, Miss Adira SV, Miss All-Rounder, Miss Arohi Sai Krishnan, Miss Versatile, Miss Kaushika J, Miss Confident, Miss Tarika Varshini, Miss Creative, Nikita, Miss Charismatic, Miss Devna Saravanan, Miss Talented, Miss A. Nivedini, Mr. Bold, Master Kavin Saravanan, Miss Brilliant, Miss Mehek Riaz, Miss Competent, Miss Vishali, Mr. Expert, A. Naren, Mr. Proficient, Master Sai Santosh, Miss Gifted, Miss Sahana Arumugam, Miss Eloquent, Miss Sukrata Vishwam. Thank you so much, kids. Each of you all deserve a very big round of applause from all of us. Over to you, Chandra.
Thank you, Julian. It was wonderful seeing you host the whole award ceremony. And to me, also, it was a great surprise to see a tag behind each kid. Kiddos, you deserve it so well, and we are really proud of you. So keep rocking. Yeah. And now we are going to see what the parents have got to say about our Inspiring Young Minds series. Kids have performed so well, and let's hear from some of our parents. So this is Dr. Saravanan from UK, and he's going to talk about our Inspiring Young Minds series.
Hi, everyone. I'm father of Kavin and Devna, and it's nice to connect with you through this video. I'm going to talk a few things about Inspiring Young Mind. This is really very good initiative by Dr. Vidya Hari Iyer. I feel like kids are being motivated, and most important thing, get connected with people. So we are living in UK, and it's a very good thing. Like the kids are being connected around the world. I feel like the kids are being motivated, making them more creative, and then sharing their ideas. And I feel they're getting more confidence in them. And this program is a very helpful for building up very good society with a lot of ideas and thoughts for kids. I appreciate Dr. Vidya Hari Iyer for this initiative, and mostly her dedication. It's free of cost, and she's putting a lot of effort on it to build a very good society. And thanks a lot for all those things.
Thank you very much, Dr. Saravanan. It was very kind of you to say nice words about us. Thank you very much. And now let's hear from Mr. Ganesh, and he's in Germany.
Hello everyone, this is Ganesh. I'm Arohi's father. Feels proud to say so. Inspiring Young Minds, every Saturday, even when we are outside, Arohi used to bug me that there are a few hours left and we have to make it fast to home, and she has to join the session and all those things. She's very much excited about this event, and she learned a lot of things through this event. And thanks to Dr. Vidya and other coordinators, I think you are all doing a fantastic job by carrying the message to the kids and also keeping it fun for them to learn. And in this age of informational overload and entertainment overdose, where the kids are glued to gadgets, this platform makes them to come out of their own cocoon and learn new stuffs, and also to speak in front of audience, a wide range of audience, and brings them out of their own shell and comfortability. Yeah. So, and no session is successful without commendable participation. So kudos to all the kids who are doing a wonderful job, and enjoy the session, and keep learning new stuffs. And Savita will be sharing me all those videos. Yeah, and happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Your words mean a lot to us, Ganesha. Thank you so much for that. And now we are very happy to hear from Mr. Jai Prakash. You're welcome, sir.
Good evening. A very big applause to this Inspiring Young Minds initiative during this pandemic situation. Rather than talking about this group, I thought it would be better to say what we received as a benefit or what I observed during these sessions. There's always a myth that children or kids will not sit in front of the laptop or computer monitors for a long time or even for some time, and they don't concentrate, they will be diverted, and they use only for playing games. But after these sessions, I noticed that they were sitting in front of the screens, and they are also observing, and they are also practicing some of those what they learned during these sessions. First, it was surprising to me and how they sit in front of the system, and later I noticed that the topics were covered really interesting, and then they were catchy for the kids as well. I think the total credit should go to Vidya ma'am, because she had really spent some quality time in analyzing the topics being covered or the people she invited, and all those things make some really good. And the other thing I noticed is we normally get a lot of advertisements in phone or when we log into Facebook or all the social medias, like we are teaching guitar online, we are teaching art online, or we are teaching English, phonics, a lot of things we get here and there. But finally, when you go into the website or when you dig more about it, you will end up in a huge amount as a fees. Like even it's like a week session or a month session, it always costs. And they say that it's online, they charge like that, right? And we don't know how much effective it would be. But in this past almost, I think 1.5 or 2 years, I didn't even listen, or I didn't notice that any of these sessions were charged. Even though an experienced people were involved, they were sharing their experiences, all those were like from the society. So that was really a good thing. On top of all, I could realize that the group was delivering all these good things to our home at a free cost. And listening to the sessions, or maybe during the sessions, my mind started comparing me to all those fancy ads or paper ads which say that, hey, this much is the cost. So that's one good thing, and I was also happy to be part of this community. And other than that, yeah, finally I wanted to thank Vidya ma'am to conduct such session.
Thank you, Jai Prakash sir, for spotlighting the special features of this series, and special thanks to all the 3 dads who have taken time to tell us this, and also appreciations to the parents who have spent time in sending us messages about this series. Thank you one and all for all your feedback. So now we are going to talk about Toy Drive. Toy Drive is a charity initiative which encourages kids to share toys with the other people. Instead of use and throw, it is to educate children to use and reuse. There are lots of people around the world who are badly in need of things and who are underprivileged. So we have motivated kids to donate their toys. It doesn't mean only toys. It is about stuffs that are really in good condition, including books, bags, puzzles, entertainments, instruments, whatever it is. And here you see the lovely pictures of some of our inspiring young minds. So they have done good stuffs, very good children, and we are very proud of you. Keep doing this in all your life. And also we encourage other children to take this as a startup and let us build the chain bigger. Thank you, parents, for supporting this initiative, and special applause to Dr. Vidya for encouraging these children with a moral, principle. Thank you. So we are coming to the end of our celebration today with a nice, closure. And now we invite Mrs. Savitha Madhivanan for her vote of thanks. Savitha, you're welcome.
Dear parents, grandparents, beloved guests, and our lovely cuties and IYM team, a very good evening to you all. I feel immensely proud to get this chance to present this vote of thanks on behalf of our IYM family. I would like to give a special mention to our chief guest, Mr. Sankrampadi Kannan and Mrs. Sudha Kannan, and our guest of honor, Dr. M. Suresh Kumar, for accepting our kind invitation, making their presence today, and sharing their instigating thoughts with our children. Thank you so much for making this occasion graceful and significant. Without your presence, we could not have accomplished what we had really dreamt for on this evening. Next, I would like to thank our IYM family, each and every one of you parent, guardian, and grandparents for your continuous support and encouragement by sharing your most valuable feedback. And no function would be successful without active participants. So here, I would like to give a special mention to all our little champions. We are really amazed by seeing a package of talents in each and every one of you. Thank you so much, children, for sharing your talents in this platform with a colossal enthusiasm. And next, our IYM team members, and special mention to Mrs. Judlin and Mrs. Chandra for their continuous support and effort in making this event a resounding success. Finally, I would like to quote a saying, "A leader is the one who always empowers others." Likewise, a torch bearer to this event, Dr. Vidya Hari Iyer, a brain behind Inspiring Young Minds, who had constantly giving us guidance, leading and inspiring us in working towards our IYM goal. We are really impressed by not only by your words, but also by your actions, ma'am. We are really proud to work along with you and follow your steps in taking this platform to a greater heights. Thank you so much, Vidya, ma'am. Once again, I thank you all for your attention and presence today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Savitha, for your kind words. That was very sweet of you. And here you see that we have got a WhatsApp group for our Inspiring Young Minds. So you can share this news with your friends, family, and whomever who are really interested to be a part of this group. And and we have also got our YouTube channel, and it is Team Red Rockstars, Dr. Vidya Smile Dental Clinic. Please do like, share, subscribe, comment, and benefit from this. So thank you, everyone. Our special thanks to kids who have been the crux of this whole series. Without them, this would have not been possible. We thank wholeheartedly the parents, grandparents, and the whole family who have been the support system in encouraging these children to be a part of this, series every week. Thank you, one and all, who have been part of this success in celebrating our Children's Day and as well as our 25th week Silver Jubilee celebrations. So from the bottom of our hearts, it is me, Chandra, and our mentors, Dr. Vidya, Mrs. Savitha, and Mrs. Judlin. We are thanking you, one and all, for all the effort you have made to make this function a grand one. Thank you so much. Over to you, Vidyaka.
I know you're all excited, right? So again, I want to listen to you, how you felt about your special day. How did you feel when you got your certificates? And we're waiting to hear from your parents, from your grandparents, and everybody who has come here. Okay? So we will ending. So awesome, kids. I'm super excited and I'm waiting to hear from you all. So I can see Arohi raising her hand and Devna, so I'll give them chance first. Yes, Arohi. You can unmute and talk.
It was really nice. I liked the story.
You like the story? You want to thank Kannan uncle?
Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. Very, very happy. Yes, Devna.
Hello, Auntie, can you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you for the session, and I really like the story and the movie clips. Thank you. It was really nice to hear the message, teamwork again. Thank you. And I was really happy to get this awards and certificates. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Devna. Very happy. Yes, Sadra, I can see you've raised your hand. Tell me, baby.
Ma'am, I felt happy and excited.
You felt happy and excited? We were also very happy to give all that to you.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you, dear. You performed, all of you performed so well. So, we wanted to make it very special for all of you. Yes, Mehek, I can see your hands raised.
The session so much, and also I loved the two stories a lot. It had a great moral value, and also I'm proud to receive my certificates. Thank you so much. And also I loved the session a lot. It was really nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehek. Thank you so much, dear. They were also very happy. You can see Kannan sir and Sudama, they are so happy. They are showing you thumbs up. We'll ask Kannan sir and Sudama to talk, okay? But first we'll ask Sukruta to talk. Yes, Sukruta.
And the session was really nice, and I loved the talk that Kannan sir presented, and I was really happy when we got the certificate. And thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sukruta. Thank you so much. We loved the way you played the Janaganamana also on violin. Very nice recital. Thank you. So over to you, Kannan sir and Sudama. I want you to share your happiness with all of us. Unmute, sir.
Okay. Hi, children. More than you, we were excited to talk to you and share some stories. You know what? The story I tell you, I actually do it in my training program. Tell the big guys who are in marketing, I tell the same story for root cause analysis and then the teamwork. It works out for children as well as elders. The story remains the same. The content and the importance of the story is applicable anywhere. Do well, be good in your studies, but don't give up your other activities like your dancing or your painting or your singing, everything. We don't know. You might become one day one Vani Jairam or Lata Mangeshkar. Some of you might become like a
good dancer,
good cricketer, like who is the top cricketer, women cricketer, you know? Who is the #1 cricketer in the world, you know? Who is that? Women cricketer, you don't know. Smriti Mandhana is there. The latest cricketer now.
Mitali is there. Mitali from India.
There is one more cricketer who was the top scorer in the world who has been playing for 15 years. I just forgot her name. You might become a good sports person, you might become a good singer, or you become a good dancer like Hema Malini, or someone like Vaijayanti, we don't know. Or you might come out good in sports, in Olympics or World Cup. Do well. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Study
Kannan
well.
sir. Sudama, we want you to talk.
Study well and practice dancing, singing, art, everything. All the best, kids. Okay?
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
ma'am.
Sudama. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we need all your blessings on all the children. That is very important. Yes, over to you, Judeline, Chandra, Shubha, all of you are also there. So you can share how you felt. Yes, Chandra.
Oh, go ahead, Chandra.
It has been an absolute pleasure for me as a mom because Devna and Kavin are an active part of this Inspiring Young Mind series. And otherwise, they joined little late. But what I see is like they're earning a lot every week. Learning and earning is happening, you know, good morals, good values, good principles and all that. I think it is very important to bind them with more moral values apart from, you know, knowledge creation and stuffs like that. So it is more interesting for me as a mom because these sessions are, bringing the confidence in them to try things differently. Because kids don't easily believe what they can do, but only when they try it out, they see that they can make wonders in many areas. That's what I see. Because a particular kid is interested in dancing, might not try singing, but when there is an opportunity which is equal to all of them, I feel it's a good platform to try out and see without any shyness or anything, you know, everybody is equal here. Every kid is special and unique. We agree. At the same time, an equal opportunity is being created by you in this platform, and I duly respect that very much. And I'm also very happy to be a part of this celebration because I never thought I would do this today. So thank you so much for that. And I wish we'll grow heights together, and we are very happy to render our fullest support along with kids to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandra. Thank you. Yes, Judeline, over to you. Is Savita there? I would like Savita to also come. Arohi, ask Amma. Yes, Judeline.
Okay, I am super excited to be part of this series because looking at the kids, the way they express themselves is really beautiful. And they say train a child in the way he should go, and when he grows old, he will not go out from it. I think this is a very beautiful series which Dr. Vidya Iyer has started. Formally, I call her Vidya Akka. So Akka, you have. I think I want to take this platform to actually appreciate you for starting this series. It's really a very beautiful initiative, and I appreciate every single series. It's just I even the kids coming out, as Chandra said, bringing out the kids' talent.
You've got muted, Judeline.
Yes, bringing out the kids' talent is something. It's a very great thing to do, and to do this, as even everyone has said, without any cost, to put in your fullest. I really hats off to you, Akka, and I'm so blessed to be part of this team, and some little learning I'm getting, and I really appreciate all the hard work you're putting in, Akka.
Thank you so much, Judeline. Thank you so much. Yes, Savita, want to hear from you.
Hello, Sankaran sir and Sudha ma'am. Thank you so much for the wonderful thought, and it was really nice, and you put it in the nice way that how kids can take up that message, and Arohi really loved it, and thank you so much for that experience. And thank you, Vidya ma'am. It's like I should tell you that short story. This Inspiring Young Minds has actually evolved because I was like a true fan of Vidya ma'am. I used to attend all her sessions no matter what. So just like Judeline, Chandra and everyone, I was also like attending her session. And one point, Arohi, I made Arohi also to listen the session, and she could get nearly like 6 to 7 points from that session from what ma'am was doing for an adults. So I requested ma'am at the end of the session that why can't you do one session for kids? So the kids also should get some inputs from you. So immediately within like 3 hours, she came up with this thought, Inspiring Young Minds. The name was set up and the program was planned for the next few Saturdays, and the timing, the banner, everything was all set. So it just evolved within 3 to 4 hours. That's how the ma'am is. That's like, she's highly spontaneous and she come up with idea, and she's always having baggage full of thoughts and how to cover all age groups and everything. And thank you so much, Vidya ma'am, for this session, and for bringing us Kannan sir and Sudama in front of us, and Murugesh and everyone. Thank you so much for all your instigating thoughts. Thank you, Vidya
Thanks
ma'am.
to all of you. I think Savita, Chandra, Judeline, I think we are just parts of the body. That's all I can say. The soul is the same. And, it's just that I'm representing all of you. But I'm so happy that, we could make the children happy. And I'm so happy that, so many of them got awarded in many aspects of life. Many a times we sometimes, focus only on studies, on education. We don't look at the overall development of a child. What a child needs is love and care. What a child needs is a lot more of encouragement. What a child needs is a belief that, they can do it. And as Suresh sir also said, many a times we never got that opportunity, or nobody told us that, we are good at something or something like that. So the whole idea is to have a, equal platform. We had, children from 6 countries, India, Sri Lanka, Germany, England, US and UK. So we had children from 6 countries joining us, and every week after week, and we were in different time zones. And most of the topics which we covered, we tried to find out a particular time which will be suitable for all the children. We didn't want to burden the children with homework. We wanted to have some fun activities with the children, and all of them, every session, they did the fun activities and they shared it, and it's all in the YouTube now. And today, when I look back at all that, it really makes us feel very happy, very happy that we have traveled, 25 weeks together. And celebration of a silver jubilee, I feel, is not a small feat, correct? And we have planned sessions from now onwards also. We'll be talking about money management. We'll be talking about a lot of other things, which I think has to be taught at the younger age of a child. And along with giving values, we wanted to have a lot of fun. We did a lot of artwork, we were able to have some physical activity, dance and everything. And I'm so happy, children, that all of you took active part. That is the most important. And, I want you all to become really responsible people in this society. And I'm sure I'm weaving memories for all of you. Few years later, when you go back to YouTube and you see when you were very small that these videos came, you'll be very happy to hear your own voice. The songs you sang, the dances you did, the drawings you have done. When you look at it, you'll feel very proud of yourself. You'll say to your children, you'll tell them, see, I did it. And that will give you some kind of beautiful memories. And that is what we wanted to give each one of you. And I'm proud of all of you kids. And God bless you. Stay healthy, stay positive. And always seek the blessings of your parents, your grandparents. It is very special that you all, grow up with the proper values. Even if you're away from the country, we still have our roots, very well ingrained in our cultural, upbringing. So that is very important. So very happy, very thankful to God that we were able to do it. And to make, bring smiles on your faces, right? So lovely. Anybody else want to talk anything? Okay, so I saw a lot of hearts and a lot of, claps from all of you. So let's all show a double thumbs up for our Silver Jubilee celebration. Yes? Okay, let's all show a double thumbs up. Okay. Wow. Wonderful, wonderful. And God bless you, kids. Take care. Have a great weekend. And we'll meet again next Saturday with another topic. As always, 6:20 to 7. Okay? So love you. Take care. All the best.
Love you. Thank you.
Love you. Thank you. I'll be sending all your certificates. Don't worry. Okay? I'll send it to all of you. And you can take a printout and show it to your grandparents and your parents and everybody. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.